I got my package, so I'm about to unbox it. I got the Shark FlexStyle. This is just a carrying case, y'all. Here she is, Shark. And these are zippers. I'm unzipping both. And there's the compartments. So you see? So that's gonna hold all of the attachments that comes with the Shark FlexStyle. So this is the extra attachment that came with the bundle for the black set. I did get the Shark FlexStyle in black. It's like black and gold, which you'll see in a minute. So this is the air styling and drying system wide tooth comb. So this is the wide tooth comb, which I'm probably gonna use today. Get up in there, you know what I mean? And now I got the Shark FlexStyle air styling. I can't talk. Air styling. What does it say? Air styling drying system. Powerful, fast drying, versatile, multi-styling. The diffuser has the extended option. You see that? Maybe you see it better like this. I love that. Here's the concentrator. It pretty much will force the heat through this section here. This is the roller brush. So all the way around there's bristles, long and short, to help get your hair straightened and cause a bump at the end, which means, you know, swoop. And this I'm definitely going to use. This is the, okay, there we go. This is the paddle brush. So that's what I was concerned of, the difference in the barrels. So this is what the left, and this is the right. Again, I got the black series. It's rose gold, y'all, and black. So beautiful, so sleek, okay? Some directions and advertisement. No heat damage. You girls about that life. No heat damage, okay? I'm gonna let y'all hear it, then I'm gonna start playing my show. So this is very powerful. No heat damage though, so thank goodness for that. Because I definitely forgot to spray heat protection on this side of my hair, but working it through, finding out which attachments I like the best. Like I said, I was very excited to get the Shark FlexStyle. I do love this one the best though. The extra attachment that I bought, it pretty much get roots to ends. The other one, the brush, I'm not that big of a wet hair brush person unless you actually using the detangle brush, the tangle teaser. But y'all see, got myself blowed out. Hair blown out. Now, truth be told, this is not easy to do. I'm struggling with it because, like I said, it's new. It's all done by air. But it does work. Now, it did take me a couple of tries to get that little curl to come through, but it did come through. I'd already flat ironed my hair because I do flat iron to straighten my hair, but I do love, love, love the Shark FlexStyle. Added some curls to the end, like I said, to this flat iron hair, and I'm loving the results. Okay, so press done. I have to give this Shark Flex, it's a little hot, a little warm. I give it a 10 out of 10. Not only do I like it because of the technology that it has in it. Of course, y'all know I'm a tech geek. Anything technology, I'm all for. But the versatility of it, like I said, it wasn't bad. I use a lot of products, so mine is super shiny now. But it didn't get over hot. It's not super hot. Even I can touch here. Overall, 10 out of 10. My curl light off and home silk press turned out great. Blessings to you all. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Bye.